Wait, why are you cutting cabbage with this knife? That's way too easy.
This cabbage is no contest for this Koutetsu. It was just that I had to cut a couple of these, so I did it, but the Koutetsu is like laughing in the face of this cabbage. It's like, is this all you got?
This is boring, I'm just gonna lick myself.
The out-of-the-box sharpness of this Koutetsu is definitely ample to go through the skin of a bell pepper. I am not using any down force, I'm not pushing on the knife at all, I'm just moving it forwards and it just glides through the skin of this bell pepper. It feels like it's not even there, it's like I'm cutting air. This aggressive looking K-tip or bow on this knife definitely is sharp. The flat profile on the back of this knife definitely mimics the profile of a nakiri, so you have full contact with the board and no harmonica cuts whatsoever. A carrot is of course a very hard and dense produce. I try to go through it without using any force. And yeah, it definitely does glide through a carrot without wedging or anything as well. With very dense produce like this, of course, you gotta be a little bit careful. You know, if you make a wrong move, you will damage the knife. I hardly ever got brunoise style because I actually never need it in my kitchen and with my menu. But yeah, since I'm cutting a carrot, let's see if I can make a nice little brunoise out of this. I guess a French chef would not be too happy with my brunoise, but yeah, I'm just showing you quickly that this knife is definitely able to pull it off. And mind you, I almost never do this. So if you don't like my brunoise, it's not the knife, it is me.
Yeah, you fucked up.
Sweet potato, just like a carrot of course, very dense and thick, hard produce. No problem whatsoever. It doesn't wedge at all, it just glides through it like it's not even there. Shallots, definitely a produce that I cut a lot. Usually just need really thin slices as part of the topping of some of my dishes. Ooh-wee, I must say that, yeah, next to my nakiri denka, with this knife I could really make thin slices of this shallot. Amazing.
I think you need more practice with this knife. I'm not impressed.